In this video, I'm gonna go over a 2,300 calorie muscle building diet with over 175 grams of protein for vegetarians. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Firstly, I want to thank each and every one of you for the love and positive feedback that I received on my recent video where I spoke about me quitting my job. It was one of the most difficult decisions to make in my life so far, and your support means so much to me, so thank you. Now, moving back to the topic of this video, this is for those of you who are vegetarians and are looking to build some lean muscle. This diet is going to be divided into 4 meals and 1 midday snack. As always, each of the meals are going to be super simple. They're going to be delicious and high in protein. So if you are ready to get this video underway, as always, go ahead and like this video. And also, if you are new around here and you are looking to look and feel your best in the most sustainable way, then please do subscribe to this channel, and let's get started with meal number 1, which is this delicious banana peanut butter overnight oats. To make it in a bowl or mason jar, add 20 grams of oats, half a cup or 120 grams of fat-free milk, 5 grams of chia seeds, 3/4 of a large banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 scoop of whey protein, 60 grams of Greek yogurt, and a pinch of salt. Mix well and refrigerate overnight. Finally, before having it, top it off with 1/4 of the remaining banana along with a dash of cinnamon, and enjoy. This is a total of about 515 calories, of which 64 grams are carbs, 12 grams are fat, and 41 grams are protein. Moving on to a quick grab and go snack, which is a protein bar. I got this from Costco. Tastes great and has great macros. Each bar is 190 calories, 23 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fat, and 21 grams of protein. Next, meal number 2 or lunch, which is 1 serving of my highly nutritious soy chunk palau along with 1 cup of fat-free milk. To make the palau, soak 100 grams of raw soy chunks and 100 grams of uncooked rice in water for about 30 minutes. In a pressure cooker on medium flame, add the following things. Once the seeds start to crackle, add 1 medium onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, and saute for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and continue to saute till the onions turn golden brown. Next, add 2 tomatoes along with some salt and cook until they become soft. After that, add the following vegetables and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Time to add the following spices. And along with that, add the soaked soya chunks and rice. Mix well for 2 to 3 minutes until all the spices and flavors are well blended in. Then add about 1 to 1.25 cups of water, cover the lid and cook for 6 to 8 minutes or for 1 whistle. Once done, open the lid, give it a few more stirs to make sure the rice and everything is cooked properly. And there you go, your mouth-watering soya chunk palau is all set. This recipe is to be divided into 3 servings, and 1 serving of it will be meal number 2. This entire meal, which includes 1 serving of the palau and milk, is about 420 calories, of which 61 grams are carbs, 12 grams are fat, and 41 grams are protein. Moving on to meal number 3 or an evening snack, which is a high protein banana apple pudding. Super quick and tasty meal. To make it in a bowl, add 200 grams of Greek yogurt. I went with Dannon Light and Fit, 1 scoop of whey protein, 1 sliced banana, and 1 sliced medium apple. And there you have it. This is a total of about 445 calories, of which 71 grams are carbs, 2 grams are fat, and 42 grams are protein. And finally, moving on to the last meal of the day, which are 2 high-protein paneer sandwiches. To make it, add 112 grams of crumbled low-fat paneer to a bowl, then add the following ingredients and give it a good mix. Then add 1/4 of a medium onion, 1/4 of a bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, about half to 3/4 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, and finally some pepper and salt. With that, your paneer filling is ready. Next, take 4 slices of bread. The one I went with is 70 calories per slice. Distribute the filling across 2 slices of bread, cover the top with the other slices, lightly coat one side of the bread with butter, place the coated side on a pan set on medium flame. While that toasts, lightly coat the other side with some butter too. Toast the sandwich until the bread is golden brown and crispy on both sides, and there you have it. Your mouth-watering high-protein paneer sandwich is ready. This meal is a total of about 700 calories, of which 65 grams are carbs, 24 grams are fat, and 41 grams are protein. And with all the meals combined, we get a grand total of about 2,270 calories, of which 285 grams are carbs, 50 grams are fat, and 176 grams are protein. And there you have it, guys. Over 175 grams of protein through a vegetarian diet, and that's usually a lot more than you would need. Once you have your diet kind of figured out, about 75% of your problems are solved. The rest is making sure you follow a well-structured workout program, you are lifting heavy in the gym and recovering well. Once you hit all these parameters, you will be on your way to building muscle and feeling your strongest. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.